going on, everyone? Do you remember me? It's Grant from Midwest Big Baits, and today I'm in South Dakota doing some pheasant hunting. Did some yesterday, didn't do the best, and totally forgot my GoPro, which is probably a good thing because we saw hundreds of birds. I'm not even joking, hundreds of birds, and only got to, granted, did not get a lot of good shots, but today we're getting out, doing some more pheasant hunting, wanting to take all of you with us. So I'm excited to do this. I haven't made a video in such a long time, and I know I still have some subscribers, which I thank all of you for still following me. And I promise you, well, I don't promise you, but I really want to get out and do more content here in the near future. It's just the busyness of life. But hopefully today we'll get some birds and it'll be a good time. Let's get out, get some birds. It's cold, it's windy. This was something I saw in a YouTube video, is wearing ski goggles, and it is amazing. So if you are a hunter and need to block the wind from your eyes, obviously there's sunglasses, but there's also ski goggles. Let's get after it. Hen. All right, guys. First shot of the day. All right. Put him in. Get back to hunting. There it is, 2 for 2. All right, everyone, walking back to the truck. How cool is that? 2 birds out of there, two shots, 2 kills. That's how I like to do it. Doesn't always happen that way, but that's awesome. And honestly, like, that was kind of a section that you would not think would necessarily house some birds, but we saw tracks going in there, and Nick was saying I was gonna walk the left side, I walked the outside, because if we just walked right down the middle, probably not gonna get a shot off. So that was great. One more, we got the limit for me. Let's keep after it though. You got him, dude. That was all you. Nice shot. Tracks here, not sure if those are his. They might be. Nice shot, Nick. I know, we haven't had that. The birds that I've gotten up today, we have not had that at all. Yesterday was just, we got up so far ahead. Get it, June. Good job. Hey, June, good job. Yeah, she fetched that. Nice shot, guys. Hey, good job, June. So June just chased that. Here we go. June just chased that bird for a good, how far do you think that was? Quarter of a mile. We knew that bird was in here. And so I tell you what, birds have been sitting a lot tighter today because it is just crazy conditions outside. But what's been helpful is Jim here has been posting, and we've been getting birds, and wow, what a great day. You know, some people would not want to come out in this weather. We're the crazies. We want to get some birds, so we're out. But I tell you what, if you guys want to get out in some cold, windy weather, these ski goggles help out a ton. So think about it. Like, I know it's very unconventional, but they're amazing. So let's get after some more birds. We got 6 out of there, so we're half of our limit right now. So let's go get 6 more.
I don't know. What are you doing wrong?
Wow, did you see that shot, guys? About 60 yards out. All right, everyone, that was really cool. I don't know if you could hear me in the wind there, but we saw some public land, and there were a lot of birds in there. We probably kicked up 5 roosters. Had the opportunity at 2. We got that one. June Bug, the dog, found it, and it was awesome. I mean, that was quite a far shot. Dropped it, its legs were broken, and couldn't go anywhere, so it just dug itself into a certain spot, and June did great. Absolutely was right on it. Found it in the thick reeds, and we got it. So we're sitting at 7 birds today for the 4 of us. And so we will continue on. We're trying to get that limit of 12, and so we'll see if we can do it. Let's get after some more. Guys, that is my limit for the day. Well, everyone, we are done for the day. We're gonna call it a day. We got about a 4-hour drive home, and we did well. We got 9 out of the 12 birds that we should have got with our limit. But it was great. June did phenomenal. And until next time, until next year, probably won't see me again until I make another pheasant video, or maybe some fishing videos this year as we toss big baits in Minnesota. Nick, say hey.
See you next time.
See you next time.